Good morning. This is a short video about how to create a report and save all the important data about the application. Once the system is created, it is recommended to generate a report to save all data and drawings. To do so, click on Create Report. The first 3 fields are mandatory and need to be filled. Click on Generate Summary. Now you can download the report. In the report, you will find all relevant data, the application data, the results, components overview, system drawing. In the second page, you will find notifications, matching lenses. Here you can see all other lens candidates fitting the application. Project notes, where you can write your personal project notes. In the third and fourth pages, you will find both single camera view and multi-camera view,